12 right over. Alright, I'm dropping off the Y on a 2-track here at East Rocks, and we'll be sitting here at the WS signal on 2 tracks, track at East Rocks waiting on you. He told me to wait south of Aurora. What was that over? Oh, it said wait in south of Aurora. Is the plan changed? Get over here east of East Rocks and get you back up behind me, and then we'll head to Brunswick over. That's affirmative. For the WAS East Rocks. We're okay, back to the WAS East Rocks on 2. I'll be, like I said, we'll be sitting here waiting for you. He's out of the way, right?
Oh, by the way, my old good number 4145 XNJT is at Frederick right now. At Mark Frederick's yard. So, we do want to say my old girl, because I used to ride that locomotive. 4145, I used to ride that locomotive. How I know that? Because I used to work for a New Jersey Transit in New Jersey. I'm a Jersey boy, born and raised. So, I know, so I used to work for the NJ Transit, the rail division.